An hour, we're expecting to hear from two city leaders focusing on preventing crime in the city of Columbus. One of those is Rena Shack. She's the director of the Office of Violence Prevention, created just last year.
Now, 10 TV has covered this office since the beginning, and we talked to Shack last May as she explained the city's gun violence problem is a community problem.
It's going to take a collaboration. This isn't a one department problem to fix. This is a community problem to fix. This is a religious institution problem to fix. This is a city problem to fix.
10 TV's Lacey Crisp has new details tonight.
Columbus Mayor Andrew Ginther announced the new office last March and says it will cost about $4.5 million a year. We're still waiting to hear what the new office has accomplished. Last March, Columbus Mayor Andrew Ginther announced a new office to the city, the Office of Violence Prevention. At the time, Ginther said the city's police department focuses on prevention, intervention, and enforcement, and this newly created office will be a great addition to their efforts. Director Rena Shack would not do an on-camera interview today, but at the time, she stated her goals.
Hopefully getting people before they enter the system, trying to create a situation where an event doesn't necessarily ever happen in the first place so that the officers don't have to come out.
Fraternal Order of Police President Brian Steele says he is yet to meet with Shack or anyone from the office.
In terms of their goals, their mission, their accomplishments, unfortunately, I'm not aware of what that is.
Shack told 10 TV last year she will work out of Ginther's office and focus on city-run programs and nonprofits that receive funding from the city to see what is and isn't working to prevent violence in Columbus. Violent crime is down in the past year. There have been 22 homicides so far this year. Compare that to 52 at this time last year.
That might be one of the reasons. It might be to some of the nonprofits that have been out there spreading their message, or maybe it's because the men and women of the Columbus Division of Police who are taking a record number of people off the street in the last couple of weeks. If you saw Operation Unity, it's a testament of what proactive, aggressive patrol will do.
And that conversation about the Office of Violence Prevention will start in about an hour at Columbus Public Health. In Columbus, Lacey Crisp, 10 TV News.